Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Robert in Alabama. And that's RCI-2970N4. Robert, we got you ready to go. Tuning alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, high cut noise filter right here. Let me show you this bad boy. Listen to that. Really cuts out that white noise. Unlock the clarifier for you. Let's get right to it. Our power all the way down. I love these radios. I always have. 250 watt slug, 25 watts all the way down. That way you have full adjustability if you decide to run 16 or something. 125 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello audio. 1 2 3 4 audio. Around 200 bird. 500 watt slug and peak. Hello 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 500 PEP. All right, Robert is ready to come to you, bud. I appreciate you. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.